Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Midi keyboard or interface is powered and connected. Install any manufacturer drivers if required. Once done, open Bandlab and load a new project so you're ready to route input. Next, plug the Midi cable or USB into your computer. Make sure Bandlab can see it by opening Settings and selecting the correct Midi input device. This step gives Bandlab a signal source. Without it, nothing will trigger instruments, so verify the device name appears before moving on. Now you configure routing. Pick an instrument track and set its Midi input to your keyboard or interface. This links physical keys to a virtual instrument. Then select the appropriate Midi channel. Most keyboards use channel 1 and enable record on the track. Make sure software monitoring is on so you hear notes in real time. If you notice delay, reduce buffer size in audio settings. However, smaller buffers increase CPU load. These choices balance responsiveness versus stability, so tweak until performance feels right. To finish, arm the instrument track and press record. Play takes and listen back, then use quantize, velocity, and note length edits to refine timing and dynamics. You can export either the Midi file or a rendered audio stem once you're satisfied. Save iterations so you can revert. If you don't get any Midi input, check the obvious. Cable seating, device drivers, correct Midi channel, and that Midi through or local control isn't interfering. Restart Bandlab and the keyboard as a quick reset if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.